In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Logitech M350 Pebble mouse to any Windows laptop or desktop computers. There's actually two ways that it can be done, and I'll show you both of ways. Let's start with the easiest one. So the first thing you need to do is to go into the Bluetooth options here on your Windows PC. So you should see Bluetooth device. It should be one of these icons. You're going to click on it, and then you'll have multiple options here. All you need to do is to select Add Bluetooth Device. It should be the first one. And the first thing you need to do is to turn it on by sliding this small slider on the left here. Slide it up. And then the second step is to press this button that is on the right side of this small slider. Keep it pressed during about 2-3 seconds until you see the lights flickering this way between green and blue. Now on the computer here, you're going to click on the first option, Add Bluetooth or Other Devices. You should click on this option. You'll have this kind of screen popping up. You're going to tap on Bluetooth, the first option here. It will take a few seconds and you should see Logitech Pebble has an option in this list. You may have other stuff, you just need to click on Logitech Pebble. It will say that it's connecting and you'll have this message that is confirming that everything is set up. Your device is ready to go. This means that you can now use your Logitech Pebble. Let me show you. Just like a regular mouse, done. And yeah. You're pretty much done. Both of them are paired and you'll not need to do this kind of settings every time you want to use the mouse. Now there's a second option, how to connect both of them in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth connection of your PC. To show you how it works, I'll just remove the mouse here from my Bluetooth settings so you can see that it's working even without a Bluetooth connection. Close this. You're going to take your Logitech mouse. And now you're going to open the top panel here. You just need to put your nail right on the gap here on the side of the mouse and pull it. It's held by magnets. You won't break anything by doing that. There is a small receiver here. Just take it out of the mouse. And as you can see, it's USB. So all you have to do now, put back the panel here on the mouse. You'll need to connect this to your laptop or desktop. Mine has a port here on the side. So I'll just plug it. And you're going to press this button that we pressed previously. You're just going to press it once until the light is not flickering anymore. You see, the light is just green and now it turns off and we're good to go. Now you can just use the mouse as again a regular mouse. Everything is working and you're done. This way you're gonna use the small receiver here instead of the Bluetooth function of the mouse. If you don't have a USB type A on your laptop, I know newer laptop may not have this option, although it's very rare. You'll need an adapter, USB type C to USB type A. I'll put links in the description if you want to get the Pebble mouse on Amazon or any adapters. Just check them out. If not, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.